Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths for Kids. My name is Jocelyn. In some of my previous videos, I have showed you the multiplication tables. I hope you have practiced them very well at home. In today's video, I will be showing you a trick on how to memorize your 3 times tables.
For this trick, first we need to draw a 3x3 squared grid. Next, we go to the bottom left hand corner and we write the numbers from 1 to 9, each time going upwards, like this. 1, 2, 3. Next, we go down to the bottom again. 4, 5, 6. After, we go back down. 7, 8, 9. Then we put a 0 in the bottom right hand corner like this. Afterwards, we go to the 3, 6 and 9 and put a 0 there. In the column after that, we put a 1 in front of the 2, 5 and 8, like this. We move on down to the next column and put a 2 in front of the 1, 4 and 7. And last, we put a 3 in front of the 0. Here we have the 3 times table. Now, let's check if this method works. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 3 is 27. And 10 times 3 is 30. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand this trick to memorize your 3 times tables. Please like and subscribe. Carry on practicing. See you soon for my next video. Bye!